Hey, so if you want your Google Calendar to stay perfectly synced across your phone, tablet, and computer, yeah, it's actually pretty simple once it's set up correctly. In this guide, I'll show you how to sync Google Calendar with multiple devices step by step. All right, first, make sure you're signed in with the same Google account on all your devices. On Android or iPhone, go to Settings and make sure Calendar Sync is turned on for your Google account. Now on your computer, open Google Calendar in your browser and make sure you're logged in properly. Make sure your calendars are checked in the sidebar. If a calendar is hidden, it won't sync events. On mobile devices, allow background data usage so Calendar can sync even when the app isn't open. Make sure your Google Calendar app is updated to the latest version on all devices. If events aren't showing, manually refresh or toggle sync off and back on. Sync needs a stable internet connection, so make sure all devices are connected properly. If nothing works, uninstall and reinstall the app to reset syncing issues. And yeah, that's it. Once these steps are done, your Google Calendar should sync perfectly across all your devices.